Hello plumbers! As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And today is no exception. We're on a roll now. We're going to clean the coil in a Rinnai heater. And I'm back into the establishment now. And I'll catch you inside. We're going to clean the Rinnai. I've had this Rinnai 5 years, never cleaned it. So it's clean your coil week. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Follow this journey as I train the two young bucks, my two sons, the apprentices, the plumbing trade. If you have any questions for them, hit me in the comments below. They do respond. They're like the typical 18-year-old, 21-year-old. When they feel like answering, they answer. So hit them up. I love when you guys answer some questions, and they do jump on and they do get involved in the channel. And unfortunately for me, they're in school right now. So we'll see you inside. $15 bill I just found laying here. Come on, man. CB2, this is all you. Find and put away. Okay, here's the culprit. A Rinnai RU98. So we're going to clean the coil. We first need to power off. So we're just going to, I'll turn it off here. That's off. And again, we're going to go with Flow Aid biodegradable descaler. My bucket and my pump. And again, we want to shut the valves off to the heater. Oh, one. Oh. Two, just like so. Oh. Bang and bang. These are off the boiler drain, so we're going to open these up. All right, might get a little bit of water here. All right, this will be the exit. That.
What's that?
Isn't this just wonderful? Oh. Okay, this is going to be the pump going in with the descaler. Alrighty. My boss just showed up. Oh, what I just spilled now. I should get a little bit of water out of the coil and a little bit. 1 gallon of water per 1 quart of Flow Aid biodegradable descaler. Okay, 1 gallon of water is in the bucket. Here comes the quart of descaler. Be sure you don't spill none on your splash in your eyes or breathe it in. We're going to go 30 minutes as per manufacturer's recommendations. I'm going to have the stopwatch going. We're ready to go. Everything's on. There we go. Let's plug her in. As you see, everything's nice and clear. The Rinnai is ready. It's off. The valves are off to the house. I'm going to use that vacuum cleaner outlet. And let's get it done. There we go. "30 minutes of this." And again, I've had this heater 5 years. I've never done it. I figured it was time. And as you see, the water is a little brown. But this is a hot water only, domestic hot water only. No heat involved. So this will be a bigger coil, and we'll let it run for 30 minutes. The boss lady left. Did you ever meet my kitty cat? My favorite kitty of all. Say hello. You gonna give them another, there goes another satisfied customer? Huh? Come on. Sit. We are at the 20-minute mark, and she's running steady. We're in countdown mode. A little greenish. The bucket's a little greenish. We'll check it out outside. We'll see what we got out of it. Okay, so first thing we do is unplug the pump. And that's the, oh, we got some dirt coming out. Oh, we're gonna check that outside. We'll let it all drain into the bucket. And then we're gonna flush the tank with some fresh water. Let it flush out for 6-8 minutes. This filter right here we're going to take out. Like I said, we got good water here, but we're going to take it out and double check it. I will get the shot. So let's take that out right now. Hard time getting this out, so oh, there we go. Big screwdriver works perfect. Let's catch this skanky water right here. Oh, there's some scales in there. Okay. Ah, there's a little bit of stuff in there. So what I'll do is I'll go rinse this in the sink and put it back. Alrighty. So we're all cleaned up now. I can smell the chemical. And bang, done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flush out the tank with some fresh water. We're going to put some water in our sink. We came over here. Look at this little catastrophe if I walked away. Huh. Don't grind your hose. Now, I don't recommend putting this in the kitchen sink because if I walked away, this could pop out real easily and make a mess. But I'll admit, I'm being lazy. I didn't want to get the other hose. And you saw what happened, right? The actual disposal was clogged. And if I had turned that hose on and left, we had one heck of a mess. Boss lady would have been on me. Big time. still flushing. A couple more minutes and we'll be out of here. We're gonna shut her down. We're done flushing the tank. Ugh. Hot water valve's on. Coal's on all the way. And let's fire her up. Oh, that's priority. Let's turn it back on. And that's it. We got her done. Let me take this hose out very carefully. Keep it higher than the sink, folks. You know what'll happen, it'll drain back. Heater's ready to go. All cleansed out. Hot water's on, calling for heat. Let me hang my wire back where it was, right here on the valve. Bang, done. Pretty. In use, she's calling. I got 3.5 bathrooms on this unit here. The RU98 handles them wonderfully. Never have a hot water issue. So, Rinnai ain't no joke. Here comes the telltale. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at all that grit. All this came out of the coil. Wow. So it does work for you apprentices out there. Tip of the day. Tip of the day is flush out the pump. You can't leave the chemicals in the pump and expect the pump to work next time. So always flush it out with fresh water. You can probably hook it right to this hose, but what I like to do, I like to get wet. I like to fill. Who the hell's calling me, man? So tired of this phone. Hello, Baron. How many people interrupt you during the day with your cell phones? Unbelievable. Anyway, what I like to do is fill the bucket out and flush the pump with the electric. This way, all the parts are flushed out thoroughly. That GFI ain't working. I don't know why. Everything's gotta be hard. Just when you need your apprentice here. There we go. We're flushing the pump out. And all you apprentices out there, do not let the pump run and empty the bucket. It will burn out the pump. And that is your second tip of the day. Have a great day, everyone. And there goes another satisfied customer.